If you're experiencing issues with FIFA 24 updates getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can test this by trying to browse other websites or streaming services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 2. Restart your console or PC. Sometimes, simply restarting your gaming console or PC can resolve update issues. Turn off your device completely, wait a few moments, and then power it back on. This can refresh the system and clear any temporary glitches. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, you can clear the cache by turning off the device, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game files and deleting temporary files. This can help in removing any corrupted data that may be causing the update to stall. Step 4. Check for system updates. Make sure that your console or PC is running the latest system software. Sometimes, outdated software can interfere with game updates. Go to your system settings and check for any available updates, then install them if necessary. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling FIFA 24. This can resolve any issues related to corrupted game files that may be preventing the update from completing. Make sure to back up your saved data before doing this. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with your FIFA 24 update. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.